The emergency alert was never meant to protect us. At 3:11 a.m., every phone in my building went off at once. Not buzzed, not vibrated, screamed. Emergency alert, red screen, white text. This is not a test lock. All doors and windows do not respond to voices, no matter who they sound like. I sat up in bed. Then I heard footsteps running in the hallway, bare feet, slapping tile, fast. A man screamed, "Please open the door." I knew that voice. It was my neighbor, Mark. Same pitch, same panic, same stutter. He slammed his fist against a door. "They're copying me," he cried. "They're right behind me." A lock clicked open. A woman screamed. Then silence. Not a struggle, not footsteps, just silence. My phone buzzed again. Update: if a door has been opened, the occupant is no longer human. My stomach dropped. I opened the hallway camera feed. The hallway was empty. No Mark, no woman, no blood. Then the camera glitched. Something stepped into view. It stood wrong. Its legs bent too smoothly. Its arms hung too long. Its face kept resetting. Fear, relief, pain, over and over. My phone buzzed again. Update: the entity learns faster when you recognize it. Then came the knock. 3 slow taps. Careful, practiced. "Hey," Mark said softly. "It's okay now." I didn't breathe. "I know you," he continued. "You don't like loud noises. That's why I am whispering." I had never told him that. My phone buzzed again. Update: if it uses personal details, do not acknowledge.